Welcome once again, and let's talk about Cardano ADA. Now, remember that last year Cardano still also dropped in price. Last 2 years, Cardano all the way from 30 cents hit almost $2 for dropping. Now, at the time of recording this, Cardano ADA is currently trading at with a $13 billion market cap and with a price of 40 cents. Now by 2025, of course, so many experts have actually predicted that Cardano is going to really gain a lot, and so many people believe that before the end of 2025 that the price of Cardano ADA will be trading between $6 and $10. Now I think that price prediction is way high, but of course anything is possible because this coin, remember, before the crash of cryptocurrency, this coin was actually heading towards $3. Okay, now imagine that this year Cardano hit back at 8 all-time price, because so many people believe that most coins will be hitting back at their all-time price, including Bitcoin BTC hitting back at $67,000. Now, if Cardano is able to reach $2 or $2 plus this 2023, now I believe in 2024 that $2.50 or $2.50 will double to $6, and before the end of 2025 that coin might definitely reach $10, although it depends on how the developers were able to gain more support to work on it and then get more partnership, and also it depends on how Bitcoin will keep increasing in price. So 2025 Cardano reaching $10 is possible, and I believe that of course Cardano can reach $10. This is a coin that is strong among the top 8 crypto coins with the highest market cap, with a market cap of over $13 billion. Of course, Cardano is here to stay for a very long time, and I'm hoping to see this coin hitting $10 by the end of 2025. It's going to be amazing. A lot of people will be making a lot of money, but right now the coin Cardano is now trading at 40 cents. Okay, now imagine buying Cardano right now and this coin hit $10. That is a lot of profit. Okay, but please remember, even if you want to buy Cardano, buy what you can afford to lose, because this is crypto industry. Now I believe Cardano ADA is going to get more this year with the support they have been getting. Cardano is definitely going to rise. I'm expecting this coin to hit back at its all-time price, and if possible BTC also will be hitting over $100,000 price before the end of the year. If Bitcoin can reach $50,000 before ending of May or June, then BTC can go above $67,000, its all-time price, or going towards $80,000 or $100,000 before the end of this year. Now remember, this is not the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.